Lunaz unveils its revolutionary vision, an upcycled Aston Martin DB6 that epitomizes eco-consciousness in automotive design. This groundbreaking concept redefines luxury with an unparalleled blend of sustainable materials and innovative technologies. Lunaz's commitment to eco-consciousness shines through the Aston Martin DB6's interior, featuring an array of groundbreaking sustainable materials meticulously chosen for their opulence and eco-friendliness. David Lorenz, upcycling is about a holistic approach, ensuring that sustainability encompasses not just the clean air powertrain but also the interior materials and finishes. Our aim is to showcase emerging materials that redefine luxury while minimizing environmental impact. The Upcycled DB6 by Lunaz stands as a testament to the brand's commitment. This silent yet powerful electric vehicle redefines sustainable luxury with its innovative materials and finishes. Featuring Lunaz's proprietary electric powertrain, the concept boasts a silent 375 bhp motor and a remarkable 255-mile range. The powertrain, with Tier 1 OEM battery cells, signifies Lunaz's dedication to clean air automotive technologies. Eggshell and nutshell veneers, bio-based fabrics, recycled fibers, and low-carbon leather. These are just a few innovations seamlessly integrated into the DB6's interior, setting new standards for sustainable luxury. David Lorenz, our team's ingenuity in blending these innovative materials within the interior represents an unparalleled milestone. It's a harmonious marriage of materials and methods, elevating automotive interiors to an unprecedented level of luxury and sustainability. Join Lunaz in revolutionizing automotive luxury with sustainability at its core. Experience the Aston Martin DB6's upcycled brilliance and explore Lunaz's commitment to eco-friendly automotive innovation. For updates and more on Lunaz's sustainable automotive endeavors, visit our website and follow us on social media. Lunaz, pioneering sustainable luxury in automotive design.